Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the photo and opening Facebook. This saves time and avoids interruptions. Once the app or browser is open, tap or click the post composer labeled "What's on your mind?" Make sure you grant photos or files access if prompted so Facebook can see your image. If you have multiple images, decide now which one is primary. Next, choose the photo icon inside the composer to browse your device. This is the first actionable step to add media to your post. With your photo selected, you control how people see it, so edit deliberately. Tap an image to crop, rotate, apply a filter, or add alt text for accessibility. These small choices improve clarity and reach. Once satisfied, add a caption that explains why you're sharing. Context increases engagement, and tag friends or a location to notify others. Then select who can view the post using the audience dropdown, choose public, friends, or custom depending on privacy needs, and review everything before you proceed. When you're ready, tap post and look for the upload spinner. That indicates your photo is sending. Once posted, it appears in your timeline and may notify tagged people. If the upload stalls or fails, first check your connection and ensure the image is under Facebook size limits and in JPEG or PNG format. If problems persist, make sure the app is updated, clear the app cache or restart your device, and retry. Switching to the desktop site often bypasses mobile glitches and completes the upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.